WARMAN AH pumps here at Pinto Valley had been installed back in the 1970s.
And in fact, this was one of the first installations of the WARMAN AH pumps in the United States in a cyclone feed application.
Our objectives for upgrading to the WARMAN MCR pumps was primarily to increase our reliability as well as extend our durations between downtimes.
Capstone started using the WARMAN MCR pumps because they were looking for better flow. They were also looking for better wear life.
Capstone Pinto Valley really liked the feature of being able to adjust the throw pushing while the pump is still running.
Unpredicted shutdown cost with copper prices where they are right now, with the tons that we run, we're losing anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 per meal per hour of downtime.
It's very, very expensive for Capstone Pinto Valley to shut down a mill circuit line to adjust the throw pushing clearances. So it was a big, big win for Capstone Pinto Valley to use the WARMAN MCR pump.
Instead of our guys actually turning wrenches on the pumps to take them apart and rebuild them, Weir Minerals has offered an exchange program.
Capstone Pinto Valley has 2 spare WARMAN MCR pumps, and what happens is they'll pull a pump out of the line that needs to be repaired, and they'll ship it down to the Tucson Service Center. We will tear the pump apart. We will scan the pump to see where the wear locations are on it. We'll conduct reporting on that. We'll make recommendations. We'll replace those worn parts. We'll put them back to OEM spec, put it back on a truck and send it back up here to Pinto Valley, and we do that within 5 to 7 days.
The primary reason for leaving work like this to Weir Minerals is because of their industry knowledge as well as the customer service that we get back from them.
The improvements that Capstone Pinto Valley has seen since the upgrade of the WARMAN 400 MCR pumps is that they're seeing longer runtime, a decrease in their total ownership of parts for these pumps, and with the service center and the exchange program, they're being able to free up a lot of their maintenance time and hours so that they can do other projects.
The work relationship between Pinto Valley Mine and Weir Minerals is phenomenal. I'm extremely satisfied with the service that Weir Minerals provides. They're ready to step up to the plate and assist us in any way possible.